Last week I headed to the launch of the next generation Renault Megane E-tech, which is now 100% electric. I was curious to experience it as sustainability is a huge priority for us on Beauticate. After lunch we were given a quick lesson and then the key to our own Megane for the weekend. Pressed to learn that the car can drive up to 454 kilometres on a single charge.
It's very smooth and it does feel like they were talking about that sense of security and the attachment to the road. Like it feels low and sort of connected with the road. I'm on a track.
I was impressed to learn the electric motor contains no rare earths and uses recycled aluminium panels and over 28 kilos of recycled plastics and fabric. I love the little handbag compartment, so convenient. The kids were super impressed too, and they felt that they had a lot of room at the back.
Off to yoga.
I also loved the wireless phone charging and the fact that it automatically locks when you walk away and has hands-free opening when you get back.
So I'm back in my little Renault and I'm heading to see Zlatko, the chiropractor.
Damien also enjoyed driving it. He said it had good power for its size.
Well, it's come to the end of my time. I would be very happy with this car. If I was in the market for a new car, I would certainly consider this. You don't have to think about anything. It just kind of does everything for you. So efficient.